Hey, this is Brett from Okibi. Back with another video, this time detailing the true work behind Kominka renovation, which is the cleaning and sorting of the garbage. It's been getting a little warmer here lately, so finally had some time to get outside, put things out in the sunshine to get clean and dry, and back to hauling off garbage pretty much daily to the garbage center, for lack of a better word, in Nagano City. So you can see here plenty of things left to haul off to get recycled and thrown away and taken care of in all sorts of different ways, depending on what type of garbage it is. Probably for folks, particularly in the US, not used to sorting things into so many different categories. So here we are, just sort of making the trip back and forth, bagging things up, separating them up out into their respective categories, and then loading them up, ready to take into town. Here we are, arriving at the garbage center. Go through the check-in, there's a few steps, and then they'll tell you where to go depending on what type of trash you're bringing for the day. Follow their instructions and drive on in. Then you unload everything, and they'll let you know if there's anything that needs to be brought to a different place, or that they can't accept, or needs to be dealt with in a different way. But if everything goes well, then you just offload and head back around to weigh the vehicle again upon exit. That'll tell you how much you've unloaded and what your fee is for the disposal. Here we are in the second floor of the house. There's lots of things to clean up here as well. Lots of dirt and grime and mold and all sorts of there's been animals living up here, so everything that comes along with that. And of course, it's one of the favorite places for Yuki-chan the cat to play around, so he loves to climb around here in the black and get black soot all over his fur and then come walk back downstairs. So he's constantly cleaning himself and getting cleaned, but then just heads right back up and gets himself all sooty again. So plenty of organizing and disposal left to do up here on the second floor as well. You can see tying up books and papers to go to the recycling area.
is telling me that I'm on the road.
凍ってたけどね。いただきます。
Would you like it?
うん。チーズがまだ冷たいけど、
Oh.
でも美味しいよ。
Where are we going?
To the dump! To the garbage station.
Okay. My turn.
Kominkaに住んでる。
Kominkaに住んでる。
お疲れ様
はい、
です。
お疲れ様
はい、
です。
計量しますね。
Each area in Japan, whether it's a town or village, will have its own rules for disposal of trash and recyclables. And you want to check with your location, if this is something you're taking on, check on how each area wants you to dispose of various items, because it's differs depending on where you're living. And then also you want to be aware that most of these disposal sites are geared towards your personal items, and it's a separate process if it's coming from a business or, for example, like a restaurant or something where you're making money. A different disposal process. And so you can see somewhere in this video clip here, the guy asks me about there's a shop's name written on the side of one of the items, and just confirming that it's coming out of a private home and not that we're not running a shop or something, because that's a different process for getting rid of the trash.